Congratulations, Coach Luigi Gideon, being able to equalize the series. How big of a boost is CJ Cancino now shooting at 50% again, and the addition of your new import, Pat Hardy?
Yeah, we kind of shot the ball well, those two that you mentioned. Pat was 8 out of 16, CJ was 7 out of 14. You know, we had to weather that comeback of theirs in the fourth. We know that they zoned the last game, and today they were zoning again, but we managed it quite well. I thought the third quarter, you know, the fouls, they had 10 fouls called against us. We had 5. Disparity in free throws, 29 to 15. So, you know, we had to stay positive, and the guys pulled prevention in the fourth. They found the rhythm there. Even with pattern falling out, I thought we did a good job as a team, keeping our poise on not only on offense but defense as well.
Thank you, Coach Luigi. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, anong difference nung pinakita ngayon ni Pat compared to Marvin Jones sa
Well, you know, it seems like Pat's probably a better shooter. You know, they both have their strengths. It's not easy for a guy to just come in. I think the only thing for us is they also have a new import. So, yung import na yun doesn't probably know a lot of their plays, right? But Pat had cramps today, but he was pretty solid. You know, he does the right things in the court. He seems like he makes the right decisions. But it just wasn't Pat. I thought everybody came to play, especially when he fouled out. We had JV and Cliff hold the fort.
CJ, congratulations. Big shot nung fourth quarter to pull away. Makalaking bagay sa inyo yun. This time, na-sustain nyo yung lamang nyo against TNT.
Siguro mas natutulong kami sa mga past games namin and composure namin talagang kailangan namin mas diinan pa kasi ganun lagi naging problema namin. So, masaya kami na hindi nangyari yun and hopefully mas madala namin yun. Dala namin confidence na binigay ng game na to sa mga next game.
CJ, yung mas kasi may tendency yung players sa simula struggle but eventually nasanay minsan nagiging hindi nila sinusunod nila until hindi tinatanggal. Ganun na ba yung pakiramdam mo sa mas mo?
Pero kasi nung umpisa talagang sobrang struggling kasi nga hindi naman kami nakapag-practice one day lang ipagin ng mga games. So talagang pinag-decide ko kung gagamitin ko ba o hindi. So nag-reps na ako sa practice ng marami talaga as in everyday nag-reps ako so hanggang sa masanay ako. And then masabi ko naman na nakatulong naman yun.
Saan ba nakuha yung injury sa practice?
Hindi, nung game 1 namin, fourth quarter ata yung tinamaan ako ng Jordan Eddy sa corner. So, doon siya.
So, may fracture ba?
May fracture daw, so talagang mahirap kasi kapag di ko ginamit, baka mailang naman ako na hindi mas maging physical kasi ingatan ko yung lungkong. So, sabi ko, sanayin ko na lang na may mask.
Paano ba yan after ng conference? Kailangan ba operahan?
Well, yun yung sabi mag-mask ako para gumaling na yung fracture. So kapag tinamaan kasi ulit baka ma-dislocate na siya, kailangan siyang opera.
Coach, si Marvin Jones nandito pa ba or bumalik ba?
I think he had a flight today.
So that means you're sticking out with Patrick for the rest of the series.
Yeah, you might want to ask Coach. Ikaw muna natin. But he's our import right now. He speaks highly of Pat. Kita-kita mo naman yung ginawa niya, di ba? He's kalmado, he makes the right decisions. I think the one thing that he has is he can shoot the ball. So, kailangan bantayan mo lang, he can make shots from the outside. So, he's fresh from the Japanese Division 2. He just played, I think, in the final. So, 10 days off. No? Pero yun ang sinasabi niya palagi pag first game ng season kahit saan, nakakramps daw siya. So, tignan natin.
Coach, in game, the last game kasi parang si Nu lang yung nag-double digit. Now we have a lot of players like JB and Cliff, ano kung masasabi niyo sa support ng locals tonight?
We have confidence in our guys. These guys are vets. We've been having a lot of good conferences. We believe in them. They're good people all around. Kahit yung mga hindi naglalaro sa amin, binibigyan ng tulong si CJ, you have Elaine, you have guys like that, si Johnson, helping them out. And that's, I think, that says a lot about our team, right? I've been with a lot of teams. I think this is one of the, I think, on paper na sobrang bait ng mga tao na they really care. So, we just told them that we weren't happy. Obviously, nangyari yun. Like, it was embarrassing na natalo kami. And when things go bad, sometimes that's the time to come together. Diba? So, keep our poise, let these guys play, they're men, they know what to say.
And that sums up our post-game press conference. Again, congratulations once again to the men.